What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So here is the LDNIO anti-static pocket socket. The best thing about that, it comes with 3 UK adapter which we use in UK or Hong Kong, and it comes with 6 USB with Auto 3.4. Let me show you the box from the side, from the back. Okay, now let me open it for you. Here we go. Okay, here we go. I don't know what, I just ripped it off. Okay, come on. Okay, here is the adapter. I'm in the socket. Let me plug in the socket for you and let's see.
I gave my hand for you to hold.
And now here's my essential phone and a USB-C cable. Here we go. And then now let me plug in my USB-C cable. Okay. Okay, it's charging. As you can see, can you see the orange? Can you see the orange on my essential phone? Is charging. Yeah, can you see the orange dot here? This one is charging, so it's working. Yeah, it's working. I'm really very much happy. So should you buy it? Absolutely yes, you should buy it. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy Geek. Make sure subscribe and bye.